I'm on the hunt for the cheapest BMW 330i for my next project car. And this is gonna be the biggest project that I've done on this channel. So I have a bunch of requirements for the car that I'm looking for. First of them, it has to be a 330i. It cannot be a 320i. It has to be made before mid-2020 because they locked ECUs after that, and I want an unlocked car. It has to be an M Sport because I don't want to spend money on a body kit. I would prefer if it's black. I like black cars and I don't want to spend money wrapping the car black. If it's black, then I'll be saving money. The car's engine has to be stock. I don't want any modifications on the engine. Cosmetic mods are a bonus, but it's not necessary. And the mileage has to be under 120,000 kilometers because even though these engines are quite reliable, I still don't want a super high mileage car because I myself am gonna put a lot of miles on the car. When I told people I was getting a 330i for my next build, a lot of them asked,
But okay, but why not buy an M340i which has the B58 or an M-Car? They're both 6 cylinders. Like why are we buying a 4-cylinder?
But here's the thing, BMW's racing history did not start with 6 cylinders. It started with cars like the 2002, running a simple 4-cylinder engine that eventually became the heart of the legendary E30 M3. And today, BMW's new M2 racing car runs the same type of engine that's in this car, the B48. Now this isn't just any B48. This one, the B48TU, comes with forged internals, a closed deck block, and a fuel system straight from the B58 that's in the Supra and M340i. With just a few simple mods and a proper tune, it can make over 400 wheel horsepower, and from a roll, it could even keep up with the G80 M3. So no, I did not compromise by choosing a 4-cylinder. I chose a car with real racing heritage, and I'm gonna modify it to outperform much more expensive cars. Now, I just need to find the right one. Knowing exactly what I was looking for, I started the hunt. I searched all over the internet and found a few cars that met my criteria. So I reached out and set some appointments. Let's just hope that by the end of this video, I actually find one that's ready to be turned into a monster. This is one of our options. This car is a direct owner car. It's only had one owner. It's a 2019 model. It's black, it's beautiful. It is an M Sport, which is absolutely necessary. It has 100,000 kilometers on the dash, which is okay, I guess, for a 2019 car. One thing that would worry me, B48s have coolant leaking issues, which we would have to check when I look at the list of the things that were claimed by BMW before the warranty period was over. One thing that I wanted to check would be the brakes, which, I mean, the disc has a lip on it. Oh, the rear is gone. Yeah, they would definitely have to be replaced very soon. This car has a full service history at BMW's. Last service was at 92,000 kilometers. Right now, for the first test drive, look for any rattles, any noise from the engine. The engine mountings seem to be in good condition because the car doesn't vibrate. The steering rack seems to be okay. It doesn't feel clunky, it feels very smooth. We still need to check the car for any type of leaks. If it has any type of coolant leak, it's not an expensive repair. The suspension feels okay. So what we want to do right now is we want to put it in sport mode, sport gear, and do just one pull. Seems okay. It needs brakes like yesterday. We can move on to the next car. We are here at BMW Ara Damansara because we looked at a bunch of direct owner cars. So I thought to myself, why don't we look at certified pre-owned cars, which is so out of character for me. If I don't buy the shittiest car ever, it's considered out of character.
When his car is going really fast, this goes up and down.
This is what you get when you buy your spoiler from Shopee. They don't have a 330i. This looks like a 320 and it's an LCI. Why are there no 330i's? Jack? We lost Jack. No G20s, literally. Why are there no 330i's in this picture? There's a Mercedes, but no 330i. Are these cars like
Rare to find?
rare to find, yeah?
Or maybe people have bought them. The last time when I came here, there was actually a lot of 330i's.
Because they dropped so much in value. Okay, since we couldn't find anything over here, let's go and look at another listing for another car that we have actually found. Can you tell me about the car, bro? Yeah.
It's my previous boss's car.
So it's a direct owner, right?
Correct, it's a direct owner.
Okay.
It's a 330i
Okay.
with full service record. Just
Okay.
did everything. I actually sent you the list.
Yes.
This car is actually pretty good.
Okay.
I drove it just now.
Mhm.
It's fast and it's stable. So
Are
far,
you
no.
telling me you whacked my future car?
No, I didn't whack. I didn't whack.
Bro, he's telling me he whacked my future car.
How bad?
I'll be
I
honest.
already don't want the car, bro. 5k off the price.
5k. I am giving you 5k off the price. The only thing wrong with this car I don't like is it's not owned by AJ Drive yet.
Oh, we can change that. We can change that. So it's on P7s, which means I won't be upset when I burn them off. I freaking hate this interior, bro.
I love it. It's so nice.
I think it's a Chinese thing. Do you like it?
It's okay.
Every Chinese person that I've seen, they love these brown interiors. Which is funny because my F10 had a brown interior, my F30 had a brown interior, and I hated both.
And now they both have a Chinese owner.
And they both have Chinese owners now, and they love it. They got one of the reasons they got the car is the brown interior.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Let's go out and take it for a drive.
Yeah.
See how it feels to drive. The car is up to temperature, full throttle at 1,500 RPM. It feels so much better. It feels 100% better than the one.
Are you scared?
Yes.
See? He's not scared.
No,
Maybe
he's
he's probably
scared
used to
because it's his boss's car. The U-turn. What is that noise? It's from the speaker. Bro, this car is slow though. As of 10 days from now, I'm opening my own workshop.
Oh really?
The steering feels good. The engine and transmission feel smooth. The suspension is very firm. It's not bouncy, which is a good thing. Now let's look at the engine bay. See if we can notice any leaks ourselves. I still have to check the car at Z Auto by Kogu. A few places that these cars leak from. The coolant cap, the radiator, if it was leaking, we would just see it. Yeah, it would be very obvious.
The back pad seems to be lower than the front, so we might need to replace that and maybe, quite soon. Everything else looks fine. That side is missing a clip or a cover. Everything looks fine to me. Just a few marks here and there, but I think those are very minor things we can fix.
Okay, so we are back at Z Auto Service. The last time we had a 3 Series with brown interior on this lift was almost a year ago. That's crazy. We are here to do a full inspection on the car. So you know, there's gonna be a cut here, another cut here. Then these two will be attached by a straight pipe. There's gonna be another two here and one here. Catless downpipe, no resonators, and maybe a small muffler to reduce drone. The tires are very low on tread, you know what that means. Can we get some money off for the tires being low on tread?
I can give you like 50 cents off.
50 cents.
Yeah, that's the best.
I'll take it.
Okay.
I'll take it. Thank you.
Okay, nice dealing with you.
I appreciate it. The key to buying cars, always negotiate. There's some debris over here. I think another 50 cents at least, bro.
Nah bro, I can do 25.
25?
Yeah.
I'll take it. Negotiation is key. So is this an accident car?
No,
It looks like an accident car because someone definitely hit it.
Yeah.
Someone scratch it.
Someone scratched it. It means someone had an accident, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
Okay, yeah.
So how much are we getting off that?
Accident.
Okay, another 50 cents off there.
Okay.
Bro, this car is major issue.
Major issue.
Yeah.
That's serious.
This car have a B48 engine inside, bro.
Oh.
That's
Oh,
not
shit.
You just gave me a heart attack, you know. Oh my god. Why would you do that? Don't do that.
It's a 2.0. Yeah, that's the issue.
Yeah.
But you know, this car is gonna be faster than a G80 one day with the B48.
Power and damper, front and behind also need to change.
Do we need to replace the damper or what?
Replace the damper and cover.
Damper and cover.
Yeah.
Dampers, bro. They're actually very expensive. How much are they? Like 12k? 13k?
Around 10 plus.
Look at this face.
Around, I think around 15 bro.
15.
Yeah, KW.
Are you joking or serious?
KW. Yeah, so
15k there. Okay,
15K.
I can give 15 cents off.
15 cents off. Bro, we have to get a downpipe for the car. That's 2k.
Exhaust system.
Then we need a turbo for the car.
Yeah.
That's like 12, 13k. All this has to be discounted from the car's price, right?
It's not my problem that you're going to turn this into a track car.
No, these are the parts that have to be replaced. So,
Oh, really?
like, yes,
This is compulsory.
compulsory. But bro, major issue.
Yeah.
Exhaust is black.
50 cents off.
It will cost you around 15k.
15k.
Yeah.
15k. Damn.
Round interior again.
Yeah, that's a major issue.
Yeah.
Bro, I think the reason is the cheapest cars on the market are always brown interior. That's why I always end up with brown interior. Major issue. We need seats.
You need this seat.
M3 buckets. We need M3 buckets. That's
Another 45k.
45k.
I don't know what to say, bro. There's a lot of issue with this car.
A lot of issues with this one. Okay, only one red. What is that for? Telephone list. Bro! Come here, bro. Look at it. Restriction with Bluetooth connection. That is bad, bro. That is a major issue.
Oh my god, really? I can't connect Bluetooth?
No, you can, but there's a restriction.
Restriction.
Yeah.
Oh.
Major issue. How the does this car not have any fault codes? Is that it? It's the only fault code.
This car is in mint condition, bro. Cheapest in the market and the best.
I've
quality.
never seen my G30 right now has like 20 fault codes, and it's
My car?
your
right
car
now?
doesn't have a fault code because it doesn't run.
It doesn't run.
Yeah, I'm proud of you. You know that, right? Is that the first engine you've blown?
No,
Like
second.
completely?
Oh, yes.
Completely.
Yes.
High five.
Let's go test the car.
Let's go. So what are the things that you're looking for when you're test driving?
Suspension, the engine, gearbox.
Are there like any common issues with these cars that you need to be worried about?
No, la bro.
Very
What,
reliable,
the
right?
330i will cause you a problem.
Okay. The only problem could be a driver problem.
Yeah.
Do you think this car is a good decision?
Yeah.
Good upgrade from the F30. Did I tell you the plan with this car?
No.
Okay. They don't know yet. How was the car?
Okay, all good.
Just
A few problems like exhaust,
exhaust. Okay.
suspension, turbo, and then the engine. This engine not suitable.
Okay.
Not suitable for you.
Thank you. Thank you. Looks like you sold me a car.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you for supporting me, bro.
So we agreed on 100k, right?
I thought it's 139,
99.
998 ringgit.
It's okay. You'll give me
Yeah.
a friends and family discount for
For how much?
40k.
Yeah, I think it's fair. Let's go.
Congratulations.
I'm so excited.
Can't wait.
All right, bro. Thank you very much. I will
you,
see
bro.
you
I'll see you
on delivery day.
We're almost waiting for AJ. Like, he said he'll be here, but like 8:30.
Yeah. And then
Good morning. Good
How are
morning.
you?
Hey, bro. Good morning. Good morning.
morning.
How are you doing?
I'm doing
I see
good.
you have something here for us.
Yes.
Special thanks to Sean and Triple T Auto. This was the best car buying experience of my life.
It's
Seriously.
the best for you.
Like-
It's the most stressful for me.
You know, you want all the stress on the sales people. Wheels, body kit, downpipe, intake. It's already been ordered for this car.
When did you order this stuff?
So if we didn't get the car, I would have been, you know.
Like for you, you ordered the
real.
bus before you even
Yeah.
Wow, that's a very smart decision.
Yeah, I remember test driving it with Sean like
Yeah.
way back.
You were supposed to know.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it was supposed
It was
to be
supposed
your
to
car.
be. So I guess the car
So
like
then you got a BYD.
full circle and then
Wow.
came back to this. yeah, you know, I want to double the power
Yeah.
and half the trouble.
You know, it's gonna be shooting flames in like a week, right?
Wait, what?
Yeah, it's fine. Bro, don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. It's fine.
Well, there's no problem. If you had a gun, shoot him in the head.
The minute this gun was loaded, when he was ready, boys, decided to go for the run.